after its dismal performance in 2019 India's Lok Sabha elections, Indian National Congress felt devastated. But in the next 5 years, Karnataka's Siddaramaiah and D.K. Shivakumar looked into Aam Aadmi Party's Delhi schemes, helping the poor, helping the women, helping the elderly, helping education of the children, and other pro-people welfare schemes, and came out with their own 5 guarantees. They were also supported by the non-functioning of the Karnataka unit of Aam Aadmi Party. If only Karnataka unit of Aam Aadmi Party had announced the same welfare schemes which had brought Arvind Kejriwal's Aam Aadmi Party to power in both Delhi and Punjab, Aam Aadmi Party would have prevented Congress Party from rejuvenating itself with the 5 masterly pro-Karnataka people, 5 guarantee schemes chalked up by and ably implemented by the 2 dynamic Congress Karnataka duo, Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar. If Narendra Modi were not able to achieve his target of 400 Lok Sabha seats in 2024 Lok Sabha elections, the credit would largely go to Aam Aadmi Party's Arvind Kejriwal and Indian National Congress Party's Siddaramaiah and D.K. Shivakumar. It would also be helped by good performance by TMC led by Mamata Banerjee in West Bengal, Naveen Patnaik in Odisha, Akhilesh Yadav in Uttar Pradesh, Tejaswi Yadav in Bihar. DMK would certainly do well, though Annamalai is giving a great scare to Dravida Munnetra Kalagam in Tamil Nadu. India's 10 national leaders and their parties, Narendra Modi's BJP, Arvind Kejriwal's Aam Aadmi Party, Siddaramaiah and D.K. Shivakumar's Indian National Congress, Mamata Banerjee's Trinamool Congress, Mayawati's Bahujan Samaj Party, Akhilesh Yadav's Samajwadi Party, Tejaswi Yadav's Rashtriya Janata Dal, Naveen Patnaik's Biju Janata Dal, and M.K. Stalin's DMK. Field 30 Indian Hindu Brahmin Kshatriya candidates in Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka and Delhi for 2024 Lok Sabha elections by Brahmadesham Suresh Vasudev Bharadwaj. (2024) Lok Sabha elections. मैं हूँ मोदी का परिवार. Bharatiya Janata Party and its national leaders, ably backed by numerous state leaders and zillions of party karyakartas, including Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh volunteers, seek 400 and more Lok Sabha seats and make Narendra Modi India's Prime Minister for the third time. Would opposition parties allow that to happen? June 4th will provide the answers. By Brahmadesham Suresh Vasudev Bharadwaj. India's 2024 Lok Sabha election, Uttar Pradesh Shravasti constituency. BJP Brahmin Kshatriya candidate Saket Mishra, SP Ram Shiromani Verma, BSP Muinuddin Ahmad Khan. (2024) Lok Sabha elections. North East Delhi Lok Sabha BJP Brahmin Kshatriya candidate Manoj Tiwari, opposed by Indian National Congress candidate Kanhaiya Kumar, an Indian Hindu Kurmi Kshatriya, OBC. 2024 Karnataka Lok Sabha elections. Indian National Congress did not give a single ticket to Indian Hindu Brahmin Kshatriya candidates. But BJP gave 3 tickets to Indian Hindu Brahmin Kshatriya candidates. From Dharwad, Prahlad Venkatesh Joshi. From Bangalore South, Tejasvi Surya. And from Uttara Kannada, Vishweshwara Hegde Kadure. On its part, BJP did not give a single ticket to Indian Hindu Kurba Kshatriya OBC candidates. Congress gave 2 tickets to Indian Hindu Kurba Kshatriya OBC candidates. Dharwad, Vinod Kashinath Asuti. And Koppala, Rajashekar Hitnar. (2024) New Delhi Lok Sabha constituency BJP Brahmin Kshatriya candidate Bansuri Swaraj, daughter of India's former Foreign Affairs Minister and former Delhi Chief Minister Sushma Swaraj. She is opposed by Aam Aadmi Party's Somnath Bharti, who is an Indian Hindu, Baranwal Vaishya. Karnataka 2024 Uttara Kannada constituency BJP Brahmin Kshatriya candidate Vishweshwara Hegde Kakir. He is opposed by Indian National Congress parties, Indian Hindu Marathi Kshatriya, Anjali Nimbalkar. (2024) West Delhi Lok Sabha election. Aam Aadmi Party's Brahmin Kshatriya candidate Mahabal Mishra is an Indian Hindu Satananda, Satakani, Satakarni, Satani, Sanatani, Satamarshana, Satakrutu, Simhamukha, Satakarni, Krishna Khanna Satakarni, Gautami Putra Satakarni, Vasishti Putra Satakarni, Sri Yagna Satakarni, Satavahana Kingdom, Brahmin Kshatriya. West Delhi BJP candidate Kamaljeet Sehrawat, Aam Aadmi Party candidate Mahabal Mishra. 2024 Uttar Pradesh Lok Sabha elections. 2024 Saharanpur Lok Sabha BJP Brahmin Kshatriya candidate Raghav Lakanpal Sharma. Indian National Congress candidate Imran Masood. Bahujan Samaj Party candidate Majid Ali. Two forceful, dynamic and capable leaders. Bharatiya Janata Party's Brahmin Kshatriya candidate Tejasvi Surya and Indian National Congress Party's Indian Hindu Reddy Rashtrakuta Kshatriya Soumya Reddy have faced each other in 2024 Bangalore South Lok Sabha election. Tejasvi Surya is an Indian Hindu Satananda, Satakani, Satakarni, Satani, Sanatani, Satamarshana, Satakrutu, Satavahana Kingdom, Kaladi Adi Shankaracharya, Smarta, Nana Advaita, Vidvat Advaita, Brahmin Kshatriya. He is also the youngest in the history of BJYM and the current president of Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha. Soumya Reddy is the General Secretary of Karnataka Congress Party, and she has also held various positions in Indian National Congress Women's Wing at the national level. (2024) Gautam Buddha Nagar Lok Sabha BJP Brahmin Kshatriya candidate Mahesh Sharma. Samajwadi Party candidate Mahendra Singh. Bahujan Samaj Party candidate Rajendra Singh Solanki. Uttar Pradesh 2024 Aligarh Lok Sabha constituency Bahujan Samaj Party Brahmin Kshatriya candidate Hitendra Kumar Banti Upadhyay. SP candidate Vijendra Singh. BJP candidate Satish Kumar Gautam. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. Samajwadi Party National President Akhilesh Yadav. Bahujan Samaj Party National President Mayawati. Fatehpur Sikri Lok Sabha BSP Brahmin Kshatriya candidate Ram Nivas Sharma. BJP candidate Rajkumar Chahar. Indian National Congress candidate Ramnath Sikhawat. Bhagpat in Uttar Pradesh is associated with the name of the Bharat Ratna Award winner, Lokadhal National President, Uttar Pradesh former Chief Minister and Union Home Minister under Morarji Desai, Chaudhary Charan Singh. Uttar Pradesh 2024 Bhagpat Lok Sabha constituency, SP Brahmin Kshatriya candidate Amarpal Sharma, RLD candidate Rajkumar Sangwan, BSP candidate Praveen Bansal. Uttar Pradesh 2024 Ghaziabad Lok Sabha Indian National Congress Brahmin Kshatriya candidate Dolly Sharma, BJP candidate Atul Garg, BSP candidate Nandakishore Pundir. Uttar Pradesh has given to India 4 national leaders. India's Prime Minister Narendra Damodar Das Molchand Modi, Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, Samajwadi Party's National President Akhilesh Mulayam Singh Yadav, and BSP National President and former Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Mayawati. Uttar Pradesh 2024 Shravasti Lok Sabha constituency BJP Brahmin Kshatriya candidate Saket Mishra. He is aged 53 years. He is the son of India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi's former Principal Secretary Drupendra Mishra. Saket Drupendra Mishra, who was born on July 24, 1971 in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh, had his education from Indian Institute of Management, IIM, Kolkata, Harvard Business School, Cambridge, Massachusetts State, USA, and London Business School, the United Kingdom of England, Wales, Scotland, and Northern Ireland. Teaches at Indian Institute of Corporate Affairs as an adjunct lecturer. Selected for but opted out of Indian Police Service, IPS, in 1994. Worked as an investment banker with Deutsche Bank and served as Managing Director, MD of Royal Bank of Scotland and CEO, Chief Executive Officer of a non-banking financial company, NBFC, in India. Saket Drupendra Mishra, a BJP MLC of Uttar Pradesh since 2023, is an Indian Hindu Satsata, Satanana, Satananda, Satakani, Satakarni, Satani, Sanatani, Satamarshana, Satakrutu, Satavahana Kingdom, Brahmin Kshatriya. Shravasti 2024 BJP candidate Saket Mishra. Samajwadi Party candidate Ram Shiromani Verma. BSP candidate Muinuddin Ahmad Khan. Delhi 2024 Northeast Delhi Lok Sabha BJP Brahmin Kshatriya candidate Manoj Tiwari. He is an outstanding actor and one of the top heroes of Indian cinema. Manoj Tiwari is an Indian Hindu Satanana Satananda Satakani Satakarni Satani Sanatani Satamarshana Satakrutus Simhamuka Satakarni Krishna Khanna Satakarni Gautami Putra Satakarni Vasishta Putri Satakarni Sri Yajna Satakarni Satavahana Kingdom Brahmin Kshatriya. BJP Northeast Delhi candidate Manoj Tiwari. He is facing great opposition, and BJP leaders and karyakartas are really worked up and troubled and scared by the presence of the former Delhi University, JNU University student president Kannaiah Kumar, formerly CPI leader, contested in Bihar, lost the Lok Sabha elections in 2019, but has emerged as the face of Indian National Congress, giving a tough fight to Manoj Tiwari in Northeast Delhi, Kannaiah Kumar. It is difficult to say at this moment whether Manoj Tiwari will win again or Kannaiah Kumar will have the victor's smile on June 4th. Karnataka State 2024 Dharwad Lok Sabha BJP Brahmin Kshatriya candidate Prahalad Venkatesh Joshi. Currently Parliamentary Affairs Minister under India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He is faced by Indian National Congress, emerging star and Indian Hindu Kuruba Kshatriya, OBC, Vinod Kashinath Asoti. Aam Aadmi Party star, former Delhi law minister, and Baranwal, Indian Hindu Baranwal Vaishya, Somnath Bharati, who is the Aam Aadmi Party candidate for 2024 New Delhi Lok Sabha constituency, is not very happy that he is facing Sushma Swaraj, India's Foreign Affairs Minister, and former Delhi Chief Minister Sushma Swaraj's daughter Bansuri Swaraj. Bansuri Swaraj of BJP, Somnath Bharati of Aam Aadmi Party, New Delhi Lok Sabha constituency. Karnataka State 2024 Uttara Kannada Lok Sabha constituency, BJP Brahmin Kshatriya candidate Vishweshwara Hegde Kageri. Vishweshwara Hegde Kageri is an Indian Hindu Satanana Satananda Satakani Satakarni Satani Sanatani Satamarshana Satakrutu Satavahana Kaladi Adi Shankaracharya Smarta Nana Advaita Vidvat Advaita Havyaka Brahmin Kshatriya. His opponent is Anjali Nimbarkar, wife of one of the top ranking IPS officers of Karnataka Police Cadre. Anjali Nimbarkar is an Indian Hindu, Maratha Kingdom, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, Chhatrapati Rajaram Maharaj, Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj, Chhatrapati Sahu Maharaj, Maratha Kingdom, Maratha Kshatriya. Vishweshwara Hegde Kageri served as a Speaker of Karnataka Legislative Assembly. Many of his admirers want to see him as India's Lok Sabha Speaker. Anjali Nimbalkar would also want to take Maratha pride to India's parliament and be a beacon of light to the Kshatriya women of India and the people of Karnataka. India's one of the greatest Indian freedom fighters, Sangolli Rayanna, who helped another Indian freedom fighter and India's Kitturu Rani Chennamma, was a great devotee of Mahabala, Anjaneya, Maruti Swami. Aam Aadmi Party's national president and current Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal is also an ardent devotee of Sri Anjaneya Swami. 2024 West Delhi Lok Sabha Aam Aadmi Party Brahmin Kshatriya candidate Mahabal Mishra, BJP candidate Kamaljeet Sehrawat, Uttar Pradesh 2024 Gautama Buddha Nagar Lok Sabha constituency, BJP Brahmin Kshatriya candidate Mahesh Sharma, Samajwadi Party's candidate Mahendra Singh. BSP has fielded an Indian Hindu Solanki Chalukya Kshatriya Rajendra Singh. Son of Karnataka Excise Department top official and an adorable Karnataka lady, Tejasvi Surya is 2024 Karnataka Bengaluru Dakshina Lok Sabha BJP Brahmin Kshatriya candidate. Lakya Suryanarayana Tejasvi Surya, Indian National Congress candidate Soumya Reddy, an Indian Hindu Rashtrakuta Ratta Reddy Kshatriya. Uttar Pradesh 2024 Saharanpur Lok Sabha constituency, BJP Brahmin Kshatriya candidate Raghav Lakhanpal Sharma, 49 years old, was born on October 27, 1974 in Chandigarh. He is the member of Lok Sabha during 2014-2019. He had his education at International Management Institution. His father, Nirbhai Pal Sharma. BJP candidate Raghav Lakhanpal Sharma, INC candidate Imran Masood, BSP candidate Majid Ali. Going by the name of Majid Ali, it is clear that Majid Ali is an Indian Shia Muslim. Imran Masood can be either an Indian Sunni Muslim or an Indian Hindu Shia Muslim. Most probably an Indian Sunni Muslim. Narendra Modi served as Gujarat Chief Minister for so many terms that he could have continued as Gujarat Chief Minister until eternity. He is now completing his second term as India's Prime Minister, and most BJP leaders, RSS leaders, Vishwa Hindu Parishad leaders, and Rama Bhaktas all over India believe that he is on his way to be India's Prime Minister for the third term too. Opposition parties may want to prevent that from happening. Mayawati served as Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister for so many terms. She could have also been India's Prime Minister, at least India's President. That was within her reach. She was able to win over the support of Indian Hindu Dalit scheduled caste community, Brahmin community, and Muslim community as well. Many of the backward and most backward caste groups were also solidly supporting Mayawati. Why is she not being able to rise to the level of Narendra Modi and, as expected, become India's Prime Minister as Narendra Modi did is a mystery. Probably historians will go into the causes of it. Kanshi Ram founded Bahujan Samaj Party. He travelled all over India and built it into a national political party. He remained a bachelor. He gave all his resources, health, and entire life for building Bahujan Samaj Party. Mayawati wants Bharat Ratna to him. For his services, he deserves it. But would Narendra Modi, if he becomes India's Prime Minister for the third term, oblige Mayawati? Or someone else, if he or she were to become India's Prime Minister, would oblige Mayawati is yet to be seen. Aligarh Lok Sabha BSP Brahmin Kshatriya candidate Hitendra Kumar Banti Upadhyay. Almost the entire Brahmin community of Uttar Pradesh was solidly behind Mayawati. They were calling her as their sister, Behan. How Mayawati is not being able to remain what she was, an outstanding leader, is a mystery. BSP candidate Hitendra Kumar Banti Upadhyay, BJP candidate Satish Kumar Gautam, SP candidate Birendra Singh. Uttar Pradesh 2024 Fatehpur Sikri Lok Sabha constituency. BSP Brahmin Kshatriya candidate Ram Nivas Sharma. BJP candidate Rajkumar Chahar. Indian National Congress Ramnath Sikarwar. 2024 Bhagpat Lok Sabha SP Brahmin Kshatriya candidate Amarpal Sharma is an Indian Hindu Sat-Sata Satanana Satananda Satakani Satakarni Satani Sanatani Satamarshana Satakrutu Simhamukha Satakarni Krishna Khanna Satakarni Gautami Putra Satakarni Vasishta Putri Satakarni Shri Yagna Satakarni Satavahana Kingdom Brahmin Kshatriya. 2024 Bhagpat Lok Sabha constituency SP candidate Amarpal Sharma, RLD candidate Rajkumar Sangwan, BSP candidate Praveen Bansal. Praveen Bansal is an Indian Hindu. Agarwal Bansal Kshatriya Vaishya. Uttar Pradesh 2024 Ghaziabad Lok Sabha Indian National Congress Brahmin Kshatriya candidate Dolly Sharma. BJP candidate Atul Garg. An Indian Hindu Agarwal Garg Agrasena Kshatriya Vaishya. BSP candidate Nandakishore Punde. Delhi Lok Sabha election 2024 Lok Sabha election Brahmin Kshatriya candidates from Delhi. Northeast Delhi Indian Hindu Brahmin Kshatriya candidate Manoj Tiwari of BJP. Indian Hindu Kurmi Kshatriya candidate Kannaiya Kumar of INC. New Delhi Lok Sabha constituency Indian Hindu Brahmin Kshatriya candidate Bansuri Swaraj BJP. Indian Hindu Baranwal Vaishya candidate Somnath Bharti Aam Aadmi Party. West Delhi Lok Sabha constituency Indian Hindu Brahmin Kshatriya candidate Mahabal Mishra. Aam Aadmi Party candidate Mahabal Mishra. BJP candidate Kamaljeet Sehrawat. Karnataka State 2024 Lok Sabha election Brahmin Kshatriya candidates. 2024 Dharwad Lok Sabha election candidates Indian Hindu Brahmin Kshatriya candidate Prahalad Venkatesh Joshi of Bharatiya Janata Party. Indian Hindu Kurva Kshatriya OBC candidate Vinod Kashinath Asuti of Indian National Congress. 2024 Uttara Kannada Lok Sabha election candidates Indian Hindu Brahmin Kshatriya candidate Vishweshwara Hegde Kageri BJP. Indian Hindu Maratha Kshatriya OBC candidate Anjali Nimbalkar Indian National Congress. 2024 Bangalore South Bengaluru Dakshina Lok Sabha election candidates Indian Hindu Brahmin Kshatriya candidate Tejasvi Surya of BJP. Indian Hindu Reddy Kshatriya candidate Soumya Reddy Indian National Congress. 2024 Lok Sabha election from Uttar Pradesh. BJP, SP, BSP, All India Trinamool Congress Party and Indian National Congress. All the five parties have given ticket to 30 Brahmin Kshatriya candidates in 2024 Uttar Pradesh Lok Sabha elections. Shravasti BJP candidate Saket Mishra, Indian Hindu Brahmin Kshatriya. SP Ram Shiromani Verma, BSP Muinuddin Ahmad Khan, Kheri BJP Brahmin Kshatriya candidate Ajay Mishra Tene, SP Utkarsh Verma, an Indian Hindu Kshatriya, BSP Akshay Kalra, Pratapgarh, BJP candidate Indian Hindu Vaishya, Sangam Lal Gupta, Samajwadi Party SP Singh Patel, BSP Brahmin Kshatriya candidate Prathamesh Mishra, Kanpur BJP Indian Hindu Brahmin candidate Ramesh Awasthi, Indian National Congress Brahmin Kshatriya candidate Alok Mishra, BSP candidate Kuldeep Badoria, Bhagpat RLD candidate Rajkumar Sangwan, SP Indian Hindu Brahmin Kshatriya candidate Amarpal Sharma, BSP Indian Hindu Agarwal Kshatriya Vaishya candidate Praveen Bansal, Ghaziabad BJP Indian Hindu Agarwal Garg Bansal Kshatriya Vaishya candidate Atul Garg, Indian National Congress Indian Hindu Brahmin Kshatriya candidate Dolly Sharma, BSP candidate Nand Kishore Pundit, Gautama Buddha Nagar BSP BJP Indian Hindu Brahmin Kshatriya candidate Mahesh Sharma, SP candidate Mahendra Singh, BSP candidate Indian Hindu Solanki Chalukya Kshatriya Rajendra Singh Solanki, Aligarh BJP candidate Satish Kumar Gautam, SP candidate Bijendra Singh, BSP Indian Hindu Brahmin Kshatriya candidate Hitendra Kumar Banti Upadhyay, Fatehpur Sikri BJP candidate Rajkumar Chahar, INC candidate Ramnath Sikarwa, BSP Indian Hindu Brahmin Kshatriya candidate Ram Nivas Sharma, Onla BJP candidate Indian Hindu Brahmin Kshatriya Dharmendra Kashyap, SP candidate Neeraj Maurya, BSP candidate Abid Ali. Pilibhit BJP Indian Hindu Kshatriya Jitin Prasad, SP Bhagwat Sharan Gangwa, BSP Anis Ahmad Khan, Sahranpur BJP Indian Hindu Brahmin Kshatriya Raghav Lakanpal Sharma, INC Imran Masood, BSP Majid Ali, Dhaurarha BJP Rekha Verma, SP Anand Badoria, BSP Indian Hindu Brahmin Kshatriya Shyam Kishore Avasthi, Amethi BJP Smriti Irani, INC Kishori Lal Sharma, an Indian Hindu Brahmin Kshatriya. Smriti Irani's mother was an Indian Hindu Brahmin. Father is a Punjabi Kshatriya. Her husband is an Iranian, Persian, Parsi, Zoroastrian. BSP candidate Nanhe Singh Chauhan. Farrukhabad BJP candidate Mukesh Rajput, an Indian Hindu Rajput Kshatriya. SP Naval Kishore Shakia. BSP Indian Hindu Brahmin Kshatriya candidate Kranti Pandey. Kanauj BJP Indian Hindu Brahmin Kshatriya candidate Subrat Pathak. SP Indian Hindu Yadav Kshatriya Akhilesh Yadav, National President of Samajwadi Party and former Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh. BSP candidate Imran bin Zafar. Akbarpur BJP Devendra Singh. SP Raja Ram Pal. BSP Indian Hindu Brahmin Kshatriya Rajesh Kumar Dvivedi. Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda and Atharvana Veda. Dvivedi means a follower of two Vedas only. Jhansi, BJP candidate, Indian Hindu Brahmin Kshatriya Anurag Sharma. INC, Indian Hindu Jain candidate, Pradeep Jain Aditya. BSP Ravi Prakash. Hamirpur, BJP Pushpendra Singh Chande. SP Indian Hindu Rajput Kshatriya candidate Ajendra Singh Rajput. BSP Indian Hindu Brahmin Kshatriya candidate Nirdosh Kumar Dikshit. Uttar Pradesh 2024 Lok Sabha election Brahmin Kshatriya candidates from Uttar Pradesh. Banda BJP RK Singh Patel. SP Krishna Devi Patel. BSP Indian Hindu Brahmin Kshatriya candidate Mayank Vivedi. Allahabad BJP Indian Hindu Brahmin Kshatriya candidate Neeraj Tripathi. INC Ujjwal Revati Raman Singh. BSP Ramesh Kumar Patel. Dumariya Ganj BJP Jagadambika Pal. SP Indian Hindu Brahmin Kshatriya Bhishma Shankar Tiwari. BSP Muhammad Nadeem. Basti BJP Indian Hindu Brahmin Kshatriya candidate Harish Dwivedi. SP Ram Prasad Chaudhary. BSP Lavakush Patel. Gorakhpur BJP Ravi Kishan Sharma Indian Hindu Brahmin Kshatriya. SP Kajal Nishad. BSP Javad Simnani. Kushinagar BJP Indian Hindu Brahmin Kshatriya candidate Vijay Kumar Dubey. SP Ajay Pratap Singh. BSP Shubh Narayan Chauhan. Devoria BJP Indian Hindu Brahmin Kshatriya candidate Shashank Mani Tripathi. INC Akhilesh Pratap Singh. BSP Sandesh. Balia BJP Neeraj Shekhar. SP Indian Hindu Brahmin Kshatriya candidate Sanatan Pandey. BSP Indian Hindu Yadav Kshatriya OBC Lalan Singh Yadav. Chandauli BJP Indian Hindu Brahmin Kshatriya candidate Mahendra Nath Pandey. SP Virendra Singh. BSP Satyendra Maurya. Bhadohi BJP Vinod Kumar Bind. All India Trinamool Congress of West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. An Indian Hindu Brahmin Kshatriya AITC candidate Lalitesh Pati Tripathi. BSP Harishankar Singh Chauhan. Mirzapur. ADS an ally of BJP party. Anupriya Patel, a Union Cabinet Minister under India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi. SP candidate Ramesh Chand Bind. BSP Indian Hindu Brahmin Kshatriya candidate Manish Tripathi. Indian Hinduism. All Indian Hindu men, women and children are equal to one another. All Indian Hindu men, women and children are sons and daughters of Indian Hindu creator God Brahma, Srishtikarta Brahma. All Indian Hindu men, women and children are Brahmaputras, Brahmaputris, Brahmakumaras and Brahmakumaris. All Indian Hindu men, women and children are equal to one another. No Indian Hindu man, woman or child is superior to any other Indian Hindu man, woman or child. No Indian Hindu man, woman or child is inferior to any other Indian Hindu man, woman or child. Ten Indian Hindu leaders of India. India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. Bahujan Samaj Party National President and former Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Mayawati. Karnataka's Chief Minister Siddaramaiah. Karnataka's Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar. Former Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister and Samajwadi Party National President Akhilesh Yadav. Current Delhi Chief Minister and Aam Aadmi Party National President Arvind Kejriwal. Former Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister, former India's Defence Minister and founder of and National President of Samajwadi Party, Mulayam Singh Yadav, former President of Samajwadi Party, Mulayam Singh Yadav. Former Chief Minister of Bihar and former Railway Minister under India's former Prime Minister Morarji Desai, Lalu Prasad Yadav. Current National President of Lalu Prasad Yadav's party, Tejasvi Yadav, who is also the former Deputy Chief Minister of Bihar. Under current Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar. June 4, 2024 is going to be a historic day. BJP leaders and workers, RSS leaders and Karyakartas, and several hundred millions of Indian Hindu protector God, Ayodhya, Vishnu Rama Bhaktas, devotees, that BJP wins and Narendra Modi becomes India's Prime Minister for the third time. Will their hopes be realized, or opposition parties heave a sigh of relief, is to be known on June 4th, 2024. June 4th, 2024, Indian voters will decide. Kejriwal's AAP, Mamata Banerjee's TMC, Akhilesh Yadav's SP, Naveen Patnaik's BJD, Tejaswi Yadav's RJD, Mayawati's BSP, Siddaramaiah and DKSS, INC, MK Stalin's DMK and Modi's BJP. They will all wait. Let's wait for June 4th. Indian voters will reveal what will be the result of 2024 India's Lok Sabha elections. Thank you. Have a good day. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Have a good day. Created by Brahmadesham Suresh Vasudev Bharadwaj. Thanks once again. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Brahmadesham Suresh Vasudev Bharadwaj. All Indian Hindu men, women and children are Brahmaputras, Brahmaputris, Brahmakumaras and Brahmakumaris. All Indian Hindu men, women and children are equal to one another. No Indian Hindu man, woman or child is superior to any other Indian Hindu man, woman or child. No Indian Hindu man, woman or child is inferior to any other Indian Hindu man, woman or child. All Indian Hindu men, women and children are equal to one another.